Magandang hapon po ng August 20, 2026 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng August 20, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, August 20, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 20, 2026, Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, August 20, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for August 20, 2026, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.